Hello everyone, this is Bhupender Singh and you are watching our YouTube channel SME Dehradun. Today I will tell you how you can create email alert, event and timeline notification in new Blynk 2.0 cloud website so that we can get email alert while event happen. And for this I have taken the fire sensor to describe you in a better way. We will create the email alert while fire sensor senses the fire. Right guys, but before proceeding, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the latest update of my videos. So let's introduce the hardware. This is a big size breadboard. Here we are using an ESP32 board. Let's place it on the breadboard. This is a fire sensor. All of you know about it. It is easily available in the market. It has 3 pins. The first one is VCC, means 5 volt, middle one is ground and last one is output pin. This is a 2 LED module. As we can see, it has green and red LED for the indication. This is a 5 volt buzzer. We are also going to use it for alert while the fire sensor senses the fire. And this is the circuit diagram. You need to connect your hardware as per this circuit diagram. Let's connect the hardware as per this circuit diagram. I have done my hardware connection. Let's go to the Blynk.0 website and configure the new Blynk cloud server. Here log into your account, and if you don't have an account, then you can click on the create new account. Once log into your account, you can see the new template button to create your project template. If this is not your first project, then click on the template and here you get the new template button to create it. Once you click on the new template button, property gets opened. Here write the name for your project template as fire detection and select the hardware as ESP32. Note it guys, if you are using NodeMCU ESP8266, then select ESP8266 here. I have made the programs for both ESP32 and NodeMCU ESP8266. Link is available in the video description. Choose the connection type as Wi-Fi. Write the project description as fire detection with new Blynk 2.0 and click on Done. Click on the Metadata Tab. In the Metadata Tab, you can see the information of your template like device name, location, time zone, etc. You can get all the information once you connect your hardware with Blynk. You can also edit these information later on. Now click on the Datastream tab. In this tab, we will define the method of accessing the ESP32 or NodeMCU pins. We have 5 options here. We choose the virtual pin. If you want to know more about the data stream options, then you can see my last video with a detailed description. So click on the virtual pin. Here write the name as fire sensor data, pin as V0, data type as integer and click on create. We have created the virtual pin for the fire sensor output. Now we create a virtual indicator for alerts while fire is detected. So click again on new data stream and then virtual pin. Write here the name as virtual indicator, pin as V1, data type as integer and click on create. So we have created our required virtual pins. Now click on the events tab. In this tab we have got two events, online and offline. It will alert us whether our board is connected to the Blynk cloud or not. Here we will create a custom email alert for the fire sensor. Right guys? You can create a number of events as per your requirements. So click on the add new events button. Here you need to select what kind of event you want to create. Information, warning, critical and content. Right? As we are making a fire sensor project, we select critical. So we write the event name as fire event. As you can see, our event code has been created automatically as fire_event. Write the description of the event as alert fire detected, take necessary action. Scroll below. We got three options here. First one is send event to notification tab. If we activate this, then we get the event alert notification to the new Blynk mobile app like this, right? Second option is send event to timeline. If we activate this, then we will get the event alert notification like this, okay? And the third option is apply a tag. We can apply this tag option if we created a tag for our project template. So we will switch on the first and second option. We didn't require the third one. Now click on the notification tab. Turn on the enable notifications button. Here we got the option to send email. So click here and select the device owner. You can only send the email to registered users. If you want to mail to another email ID, then you need to add that mail ID to your Blynk template or project, right? Also go to the push notification tab and select here device owner. We can't send the SMS notification as these are for the prime users, which means to activate the SMS you need to upgrade your account. Activate this option here to send the event notification frequently. Here you can set event notification frequency. So we select here the notification in 1 minute. Guys, remember, you can get the quota of only 100 alerts every project in your freeware account with Blynk. Make sure that notification should be accurate. Below we activate the enable notification management. By enabling this, we will manage the notification and alert in the mobile app and Blynk cloud website. Right? Finally, click on create button. So we have created the custom event for our project. You can create any custom event by following the same step. And this is the automation tab, where we can set the type of trigger for our data stream based on the condition. Now come to the web dashboard tab. Here we will drag and drop the widgets for our project. So drag and drop the LED widget to the dashboard. You can also resize the widgets. We also drag and drop the label and goes in the dashboard. Now hover the mouse to the LED widget and here click on the setting icon. Click on choose data stream and choose the virtual indicator V1. Change the color to red and click on save. Now open the label widget setting. Choose the data stream as fire sensor data V0 and click on the save button. Now hover the mouse to the gauze and open the setting. Choose the data stream as fire sensor data V0. Select the color as blue and click on save. So we have done all the necessary settings for the web dashboard. The last step is mobile desktop. You can get the download link to download the new Blynk IoT app for your iOS or Android mobile. So finally, click on the save button to save all the settings to the project template for the fire sensor. Now we will add our ESP32 board to the Blynk cloud. So click on the search tab. Here click on new device. We got here 3 different ways to connect our board to the new Blynk cloud. From template, scan QR code and manual entry. So we go through the from template. Click on from template, choose here the template ID as fire detection and click on create. Once you click on the create button, we will get our project template credentials. We need to write these credentials to our program. You can also find your credentials at the device info tab. Right guys? Now this is the time to program the ESP32 board. Go to the video description and click on the link to download the program. This link will redirect you to my GitHub repository. Here click on the code button and then download it. Once code is downloaded, go to the download location. You will get the programming code zip file with name fire detection with email alert new Blynk2 master. Right click on it and click on the extract here. If you don't have WinZip or WinRAR software to unzip it, then a link is available in the video description. You can download this software from there. So go inside this folder and you will get the 2 folders. If you are using a NodeMCU board, then go inside this folder and open the program. As I am using an ESP32 board, so I am going inside this folder and let's open this program with the Arduino IDE. In the top of the programming code, these are the Blynk credentials. We need to replace these credentials with your Blynk credentials. So go to the Blynk website and click on the search tab. Here we got the list of available devices added by us. Click on your project fire detection and we got the dashboard. Here click on the device info tab and copy these credentials and replace them in the program. Below we define Blynk serial to see the Blynk data serially, and below we add essential headers for the ESP32 board. These header files are different for the NodeMCU ESP8266 board. Now we call the authentication token of our Blynk project template that we define here. Here you need to write your Wi-Fi name in which you want to connect your NodeMCU or ESP32 board, and below write the password of your Wi-Fi. Right? Now we define the Blynk timer. We define the fire sensor to be 23, green LED to be 12, red LED to 14 number pin of ESP32 board. Here we take a variable to store the fire sensor data. Here we define LED to V1 virtual pin to indicate the fire as virtual indicator in the Blynk mobile app and cloud web dashboard. In the setup function, we begin the serial at 9600 baud rate. Below, we define the pin mode for green LED as an output, fire as an input, red and buzzer as output. Now we call the Blynk.begin function to connect the ESP32 board or NodeMCU board to the Blynk cloud by passing the authentication token, Wi-Fi name and password. After this, we call the timer.setInterval command in which we call mySensor function every 500 milliseconds. We define the mySensor function below. In the loop function, we call the Blynk.run and timer.run functions. In the mySensor function, we digitally read fire sensor and store these values to the fire_well variable. Note it guys that we need to check the fire sensor output. Two kinds of sensor available in the market. One is to provide high to output pin while sensing the fire, and some sensor gives output as low while sensing the fire. Same thing will happen with the IR sensor. So test the sensor separately. Okay. I have the sensor that provides the low output while sensing the fire. If a fire senses the fire and provide low output, then we first call the custom event fire alert. By logging this event, we send the email notification, timeline notification to our web dashboard and Blynk mobile app, right? At the same time, we turn off the green LED and switch on the red LED and buzzer at a time to indicate the fire alert. We also send the fire sensor data means 1 to the V0 virtual pin. We also serially print the fire sensor value and switch on the virtual indication to the Blynk app using led.on command. And if the fire sensor didn't detect the fire, then we switch on the green LED and switch off the buzzer and red LED. We also update the value to the V1 virtual pin and we serially print the fire sensor value to the serial monitor and switch off the virtual indication using led.off command. So this is a complete program for the fire sensor with email alert and notification to the new Blynk IoT app and web dashboard. So now add the Blynk library to the Arduino IDE. Click on the Sketch tab, go to the Include library and click on the Manage library. After a while, we got the list of libraries. Search here the Blynk. You will get the install button to install it to your Arduino IDE. So install it. After installation of the library, click on the close button. Now connect your ESP32 or NodeMCU board to the computer. Go to the Tools tab. In the board section, select the ESP32 Groover module. For this, ESP32 board must be installed into your Arduino IDE. Link is available in the video description that will guide you how to install these boards to your Arduino IDE. Okay. Now go to the Tools tab. Select the port as COM8. Guys, it can be different on your computer. Now click on the Upload button. After a few seconds, you will get the output dotted line while code is ready to upload like this. This time, press the boot button of your ESP32 board for 3 to 4 seconds. Your board start uploading the program. And it's done. So our code has been uploaded to our ESP32 board successfully. So now it's time to configure the new Blynk mobile app. Go to the Android store or App Store and download the Blynk IoT app. Once downloaded, log into it. After login, you can see your project template fire detection. Click on it to configure. Here click on the setting icon. Inside, click on the plus sign to add widgets to your template dashboard. Scroll below and click on the value display widgets to add it to the dashboard. Again, go inside and add a LED widget to the dashboard. Also add gauge widget and supercharge widget to the dashboard. Arrange the widgets in the dashboard. Now click on the value display widget setting. Align the title to the middle. Select the data stream as fire sensor data V0 and set the font size to maximum. And back to the dashboard. Our setting for the value display widget has been done. Now click on the LED widget. Select the data stream as virtual indicator V1. Select the color as red and back to the dashboard. Now click on the ghost widget, align the title to the center, choose the data stream as fire sensor data V0 and back to the dashboard. So now time to set up the last widget, that is supercharge. Click on it and click here. Here choose the data stream as fire sensor data V0, select the chart design as per your choice, select the color as red and back to the dashboard. So the setting for the new Blynk IoT app has been completed. Now time for the live testing of the project. Connect your board to the computer. As you can see, the fire sensor is in normal condition and green LED is glowing as per the programming code. And virtual LED is also off and data is 0 in the mobile app as well as in the web dashboard. Let's light the fire in front of the fire sensor and check what happens. As I glow the fire in front of the sensor, red LED is start glowing as well as the buzzer is blowing. In the dashboard you can see the red LED indicator is showing the alert and data is set to 1. This time we must receive the email alert in my Gmail ID and alert in the timeline and mobile app. Let's check the mail. I am going to the Gmail app and refreshing it. As you can see, we have got mail from the Blynk. Let's open it. It's a message that we have written in our custom event. That's really very nice. Test it once again. This project is working very fast and great. Let's check the alert in the cloud timeline. Click here for the timeline and we have got 32 alert in the critical section because we have mentioned the event under the critical notification. We can also mark these notifications as resolved with the comment as resolved. Then this alert has been moved under the resolve category. That's really very good for the industrial project if you are taking the services from the Blynk. You can also see these notifications in the notification tab of the new Blynk mobile app. You will get the notification like this in your mobile app, and if you click in any alert, then you can see the detailed timeline information of the event. So guys, this is how you can create a custom event with an email alert for the fire sensor while using new Blynk cloud platform. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and videos. Don't forget to comment in the comment box below for your query. Stay connected to our channel and share these videos to your social media so that others can make projects with Blynk platform.